the attention of the whole House. It's an extremely important issue, Madam Speaker, and I seek your guidance. And I know you are for sure able to give guidance on this matter. I have got no doubt whatsoever. Madam Speaker, we are now in the 6th month of the financial year 2023-2024. As we speak, Madam Speaker, since this House appropriated funds to the CDF board for disbursement to respective CDF committees, not a single cent has hit the accounts, the bank accounts of the CDF committees. And NGAAF, definitely. Madam Speaker, I rise to seek your guidance in the sense that this House, without necessarily anticipating debate, this House is poised to proceed on a long recess, very long recess, 2 months and above from this Thursday. Yet, Madam Speaker, we know that school children are opening schools in the first week of January. Much more important is that those who start their KCP exams are joining Form 1 in that same period. Madam Speaker, without bursary, which is provided for within the CDF framework, and NGAAF, more than 3/4 of these children will not go back to school. That is an issue that should capture the attention of the whole nation. It's an issue that is so serious that should warrant this House taking a moment to ponder over it. In fact, it's an issue that would necessitate this House taking drastic measures. We have not been told yet what is the justification for the National Treasury not releasing the funds which is earmarked for the CDF to the CDF board. We are not aware. And NGAAF, of course. When I refer to CDF, just understand that I also mean NGAAF, because the two go hand in hand. The two are like Siamese twins. Madam Speaker, therefore it behoves us as a House to take action. I want to ask you to compel, first and foremost, the chairperson of the CDF committee, my good friend, the Honorable Musa Serma, to compel my good friend, the leader of majority party, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, and to compel the CS National Treasury to come forth and inform the House when are we expecting the disbursements of CDF, at least to take care of the bursary component before we proceed on recess. It's a matter that cannot be dealt with after the recess has started. It's an issue that must be dispensed with now, and be at least before Thursday, Madam Speaker. In fact, if I'm hearing my colleagues well, it's an issue you think must be dealt with now. Now. And therefore, if it must be dealt with now, it would mean, therefore, Madam Speaker, that the House might not transact in any other business. In my view, the House might not be in a position to transact any other business. I think so. The House would be in order to decline to transact any other business. In sympathy, in expressing its sympathy with the thousands of children of poor Kenyans out there, the children of hustlers, Madam Speaker, who are suffering out there, not knowing how they'll go back to school when schools open in January. I want to plead with you, and this is a very serious matter, Madam Speaker, and I will be asking my colleagues once we have, and I also ask you to allow our honorable members to contribute to this issue, and after which then we can go and also chat out there, so that we chat more freely. We chat more freely. Yes, in the corridors. In the corridors. Thank you, Madam Speaker.